Wow! Our future paddlist.
Wow! Blessing! Ganyan ba yan? Uy, oh. Akala mo madali i-flip pa. Mga first timer, boys and girls.
Pauwi na lang sa next.
Okay, come on. Good luck! Oh my God! Test it for me. Ito na, boys and girls. Dito kami sa Chestermere. Pan ba to or lake? Chestermere Lake? Pan. Oh, yun.
Lake po.
Lake. Ano na parang parang malamig nga siya. Oh. Yan oh. Oh, si Nanay Sis oh. Nagba-vlog din oh. Is your sis. Ayan na. Ito na kami. Lamig. Patay tayo dyan. Alright, we're gonna experience paddle boarding, boys and girls. Come on.
Let's go.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Ganyan ba yan? The first timers. Rain, are you excited?
Yes.
Yay!
First time.
Happy birthday!
Yes, happy birthday. In Canada, second time.
Wow naman! Grabe activity ng birthday mo, no? Grabe activity ng birthday mo. Uy, oh, si Neneng B. Neneng B. And si Boy. Randy Boy. Yan. And andito naman kami sa kabila, boys and girls. Ito naman siya. Ayun oh. Hi! Wow! Tigigisa yata. Ang dami. Okay, boys and girls, this is what you call this one? A dock. Oh, it's a dock, but it can fit like 15 people. Wow, look at that. Oh, jeez. Naomi, maybe you stand. Naomi. All right. Oh, wow, kasya daw 15 dyan, oh. Kalain mo nga naman, oh. Oh. Wow! Blessing! Blessing! Uy! Ano ba para i-post dito?
Gano'ng kataas? Triple.
Ano ba?
Oo, kahit marunong ka na.
Oh, yan.
Parang kailangan ko ng professional.
Kailangan pala dito, you still have to wear a vest even you know how to swim. Right? Left.
Dapat pala dalawang vest, hindi ka marunong mag-lumangoy.
You know. At ito na, let's go. You know. Uy, oh. Akala mo madali i-flip pa. Let's go. Are you ready? Follow Dana. Laki pa sa eme. Mga first timer, boys and girls. First timers. Ang dami nila eh. Pero huwag mo hilahin kasi baka mabutas pag gumasgas siya. Okay? Listen ha, listen guys kung paano. Ayan, dito kami sa dock. Ayan. Oh, yeah, may loading dock talaga siya. Okay. And then okay, eto na boys and girls.
Ganito lang sa kalalim. Ganito lang sa kalalim.
Ayan na, oh, tinan nyo paano, oh. Okay.
Tapos ipupush mo kaya lang yung feel. Game.
Yeah, babap. Oh, ito na. Woo, let's go. Ay, eto na.
Bakit parang umahalog ka?
Eto na, ang dami.
No, just drop right in.
Right in?
Muna to. Yeah, walk.
Okay.
Like this. then hop right on.
Hop on.
Hop on. Hop on. Try.
Daddy, go.
Just hop on.
Wala ka may paddle.
Just walk right on.
May paddle. Tapos
Yeah.
let's go. Sit down.
Wait, okay, I'll handle. Okay,
Okay,
there.
Baka bumagsak ka.
Yes, it's 8 to 11 people.
Don't worry, 8 to 11 people.
Yeah.
You can handle. I'll handle the paddle. Where's the paddle?
Daddy, huwag ka sa corner. Sa gitna ka dapat.
Yeah, sa gitna.
Oh, pag dumana yun.
Okay, and then the other one.
Okay lang. Go right on. Oh no. Lapit mo muna rito. Lapit mo muna.
Wait, hawa mo.
Daddy, maghatakin mo siya.
Iraw. Ayan.
Go.
Okay, good luck. Test it for me.
Hindi yan. Yung phone mo mahal. O, baka malaglag.
No, just have fun.
Okay.
No, it's not deep. It's not deep.
Okay?
Step by step.
Step by step.
Gaanan mo lang yung gaanan mo lang yung katawan mo. Okay, go. Try.
Sininang ona daw.
Careful. Ups.
Too wide, yeah. Stand, yeah. There you go.
Wide pa.
There you go. Yeah.
Wide pa.
That's it.
Okay na na.
That's it.
Not to
You get your balance already.
stand up straight first.
Stand up straight.
You get your balance already.
Relax.
Oh, relax.
Got it?
Applause.
Yeah.
You should like, pahabain mo pa yung, hirap may English. Pahabain mo pa yung sagwan mo.
I think you need to
Adjust your paddle.
Adjust. How?
Oh, yo!
You got it?
Are you sure?
No? Ross, pull mo yung ano mo.
Pull.
Ito, pinupull to.
Yan.
There you go.
Don't worry, I'm holding on it.
Okay.
I'm holding.
Oh yeah, hold
Yeah,
it.
just paddle. I'm holding it.
Relax. Okay. Yeah.
Yay!
Shake hands.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot!
Pag naka...
Pero video mo sila tatlo pag-asa.
Sino po next?
Uy, talaga inawakan pa yung dulo.
Oh.
Wow! Our future paddlist.
Wow. Lapitan mo na Yomi, yung ano mo hawak mo kasi
Ganda naka-loadran. You got it.
Nakadapa.
Load na lang. Ano ba ito?
How to sit down.
You should record it. Number 1. I go to the dock.
Picture, the four of you. How can you go?
Okay, picture.
A picture. Ay, pauwi na lang. Pauwi na lang.
The water is cold, bro. Okay, I'll go around.
Uy. No, the stairs. There.
Hey, this is a video. Go paddle, go. Unahan. Okay, race.
Race.
It's a race. Saan? Oh no.
Yan.
Oh, yan na. Oh.
Turn!
Alright.
Naomi, turn left!
Wow.
Rain. Yan.
Bagay yung
Ross,
vest sa kanya.
ready? 1, 2.
Is her name Rain?
Yes.
This one is
I
Rain.
keep when I hear you guys say rain, I always like.
Naomi.
Yeah, I was like.
Ah, you thought it's a rain?
Ay, pumurado sa silhouette.
You're wondering.
Ito na,
Oo nga, pag ganun-ganun. Ayan, Pilipino. Pati yung katawan niya. Nag-aano eh. Sino yun? Go, Randy Boy! Randy Boy na nago. It's your boy! Randy Boy!
Okay, stop. Ready? 1, 2.
Yun o.
Yun na.
The four of you. Siblings.
Ready? 1, 2. Hey!
Isa pa, ayan. Park ka rin. Park.
Okay, lapit, train.
Harap kayo. Reverse na yun.
Oh my. My children are enjoying this.
Boarding.
Okay.
Pagka ikaw tumatayo, dumuduma.
Up. Alright. Naomi, come. I'll take photo. Ayan na si Naomi. Tapos na siya.
That's the proper way.
Wag na kasi mag-pedal muna. Wag stay muna kayo si. Wow, go. Kakabit na si It's Your Boy Randy Boy. Oo. What's up boys and girls? It's your boy Randy Boy. Ayan ang plaka na pinadala ni Kuya Teng at ni Ate Lenny. Yung pinadala ni Ate Lot at ni Kuya Ray, doon natin kakabit sa kabila. At kasama ko si Boss Chris. Ayan ang bogi-bogi. Kamukha ni paring Dondon, pinsang ko.
Kaya nga.
Di ba? Wala kami mahanap. Ano mong ginawa? Yung washer sa toilet bowl. Diskarte lang yan, boys and girls.
Kasi talaga. Sakto lang yun. Sakto lang.
Sakto.
Ba, hindi pa kalawangin yung boss. Kasi ano yun, plastic yan eh.
Saan sa Pilipinas natin?
Pangasinan.
Pangasinan. Lakay.
Hindi ba ma-pet?
Hindi, sabi ko kita mo konti boss.
Yan.
Parang sinukat ha, Boss Chris ah. Yan o.
Randy Boy.
Ano yung sasakyan no?
Yan.
Si Boy, Randy Boy.
Parang kita na mo.
Kasi ito boys and girls, kakapit naman natin yung bigay ni Ate Lot tsaka ni Kuya Ray. Ayan o. Is your boy, Randy Boy. Piling ko gitna siya nitong sensor, kuya. Gitna siya nitong sensor. Kasi gitna yung sensor eh. Oh, di ba? Kuya Raymond. What you think? Dapat pentel pen o ano? Yan, dyan sa baba, banda. Hindi, dito sa kapantay niyan. Tingnan natin to, ilagay muna natin to. Kung halimbawa. Kasi pagka... Ayun, sukat na sukat siya. Ito yung isa. Randy boy. Randy boy. Boss Chris. Yan. Hawakan ko. Hawakan mo nga, Kuya Raymond.
Dali ko yan. Yan natin.
Ng pentel pen. Okay.
Kakapit mo na rin yung spacer mo.
Kakapit din ba? Parang ano naman to si Boss Chris, oh. Baka. Hindi, tatanggalin nyo rin yan.
Hindi na. Yun
Ha?
yan.
Naku! Baka mahalikan kita, boss.
Sentro natin.
Sentro. Hawa mo ako, Raymond, kasi mahirap pagka mag-isa lang eh. Sentro.
Dapat direct lang.
Ano, parang ano?
Para professional din nagsabi.
Parang professional yung ano ah. Naglagay ah. Shout out, Boss Chris.
Yan. Sabi ko kay boss eh.
Randy boy.
Kaibigan ko eh.
Ay, service niya, boys and girls. So, ang ganda-ganda na service niya. Ayan na, nakakapit na. Oh, ha? Nice. Ngayon, oh. Boys and girls, tingnan nyo naman yan. Ang linis na yan. Ha? Ito yung pinalitan ni Boss Chris, oh. Wala na, sunog na siya, oh. Saka ito pa, yung isang may matindi dito, oh. Oh. Ayan, oh. Wala na siya. Pinalitan yan. Asan ka na? Halika rito. Dungis daw siya. Maraming salamat. Oh, boss, salamat ha. Baka may isa shoutout sa Pinas. Saan ka taga sa Pilipinas?
San Nicolas.
San Nicolas.
Sa inyo dyan.
Oh, sino ba kami?
Mejia family.
Yo, Mejia family. San Nicolas. Para. Maraming salamat. Oh. Tama naman, picture muna tayo rito. Oh, it's your boy. Randy boy.
Sa boy. Randy boy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. That's from God. Surprise! You thought you don't have a own birthday cake, huh?
Close your eyes, make a wish.
Make a wish.
Now I'm waiting for my surprise now.
Okay.
Candle, blow it.
Happy birthday to you.
I have a theory. I was touched with this one.
Wow.
There's nothing wrong. Well, thank you so much, guys.
Come on.
Yeah. 2, 3. Iris na dyan.
Ayan, boys and girls, at eto tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang birthday ng bisita dito sa Canada. Yun, tatapusin ko na dito yung aking vlog. Maraming salamat. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe sa Randy Boy channel natin. Ingay kayo lagi. Bye! God bless!